The famous Nollywood actress Wumi Toriola trends online after a clip of one of her movie scenes emerged online and became a trending topic. Toriola in the viral movie scene did something that most would say was impossible to do or achieve. The clip has sparked several online reactions, with many calling out the movie's continuity manager and director for committing such a colossal blunder. However, many have credited Wumi Toriola for her effortless capacity to maintain the same facial reaction, despite acting in the same scene at different times and with different takes. Listen to the reactions of her fans. Adalapinki said, "Seen this movie and I laughed like crazy. I been think say eye dey pain me." At IZB, continuity manager in the mud. But unfortunately, the continuity fit see am make director talk say make dem improvise since the previous week is not available. Yoruba film too dey improvise at the end of the day, story go change for location. At Yet Onde said, "It is the work of continuity. Those people really need to pay more attention, not only to last things they said, but also what they looked like. Overall, if e easy, make the person wey record and post produce one movie make we see." Food Networking Nigeria too said, "Ginger wig na ginger wig, whether na curly or bob, e ginger be no ginger, problem tiyin niyen." At Sesten, she wrote, "Nigeria and India movie, I don't know which one was pass." The Nnamdi Akanaga wrote, "The continuity person in my opinion is not to be blamed. I blame the director. How can you allow this mess? Na small thing like this dey vex me o." As Official Tema wrote, "Continuity error, even the lady did not try." At Dan Renan wrote, "What in the discontinued continuity is going on?" Thank you for listening to us. Please don't forget to click on subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, like, go to the comment section and contribute. Thank you.